Welcome to 1133 South Hope Street, Los Angeles, where sleek city living meets student comfort. Whether it's morning lectures or evening views, this address puts everything within reach. Take your pick from modern studios, one-bedroom or two-bedroom apartments. Each unit comes packed with essentials like a private balcony, air conditioning, an in-unit washer, both shower and bathtub options, and more. Step beyond your front door to enjoy rooftop terrace access with stunning views, a fully equipped fitness center, spacious lounge, bike storage, and even a pet washing station. With public area Wi-Fi, elevators, parking, and laundry facilities on site, everyday living will be effortlessly smooth. Located near Mount St. Mary's University and the University of Southern California, the property is well connected with nearby bus stops at Flower Street and 12th Street. The Pico tram stop is also conveniently accessible on foot for longer commutes, so experience city life and student ease wrapped into one. Book 1133 South Hope Street in Los Angeles via amberstudent.com